Watching your portfolio slide into the red while the market races ahead. I've got the inside scoop on how to find those under-the-radar coins before they make their big move. After a while in the crypto scene, I realized that building tokens is way more satisfying than simply buying them. Pump.fun makes it effortless. You can mint a coin in no time for next to nothing. The market moves at lightning speed, with new projects dropping every few seconds. And that's exactly where the challenge lies. If you're launching a meme coin on that platform, you're entering a crowded space. Because it's so cheap and easy, no one will notice your token unless it offers something completely different. Pump Fund's biggest flaw is its simplicity. Because anyone can generate a token within seconds, the market gets saturated with low-quality coins. The more legitimate projects usually go for better decentralized exchanges rather than dealing with the chaos. Since Pump.fun is made for newcomers, it's flooded with forgettable tokens that don't gain traction. Meanwhile, platforms like Raydium see actual movement, where projects frequently cross six-figure market caps, while most Pump.fun coins barely hit $10,000. The thing about Raydium is that it's not a playground for beginners. You either need strong development skills or deep pockets to hire one, which keeps low-effort projects out of the mix. That's why the coins listed there tend to surge harder. For everyday traders without technical know-how, it's a challenge since everything operates on smart contracts. But the proof is in the market caps. Raydium projects consistently hit figures that make Pump Fund tokens seem laughably small. Here's something you need to know. Launchtool.io is on another level. Setting up a Raydium meme coin has never been quicker, and I'll guide you through every step. The tech behind it is next level impressive. Raydium has long been the choice of serious traders. But the wild part is how much easier they've made the process. This advantage won't stay low-key for long, but at the moment, the stats are undeniable. It's running the show. First things first, we need a logo before launching the token. Head over to Canva and set up a 128 by 128 pixel design. Since this token is inspired by Paris Saint-Germain, tweak the elements to make it unique. Adjust colors, add creative details, or refine the overall look. Once you're happy with the final design, download the logo so we can move forward. Now that the logo is ready, it's time to roll out the actual token. Open Launchtool and link your wallet to get started. Once inside, enter the token's name and set up a trading symbol. I'm going with Paris Saint-Germain as the name and PSG for the symbol. The description field is optional, so I'm skipping it, but you can add something if you want. After that, upload your logo and move forward. Leave the decimals and token supply as they are. No need to mess with those settings. Hit next to continue. Quick tip, skipping the creator info shaves off 0.1 Solana. And if you're launching tokens regularly like I do, that's straight up profit protection. The blockchain doesn't care who made it. What matters is how the token performs. After launching more than 25 tokens, I can confidently say no one cares about the social fields. Your token's success is all about how it moves on Raydium, not some forgotten Telegram link. Don't waste time filling it out. Just skip and focus on the real action. This step is where everything can go right, or completely fall apart. A lot of people get it wrong. Yeah, dropping 0.3 Solana isn't exactly thrilling, but locking in these security settings gives your token credibility. Experienced traders always check. If they spot disabled permissions, your coin is dead on arrival. The freeze, mint, and update functions, make sure they stay enabled. Now go ahead and smash that launch button. And that's a wrap. As soon as the transaction prompt pops up, hit confirm, and just like that, your token is live on the Solana network. Now let's jump over to Solscan and check out all the details to make sure everything is in order. There it is. Solscan confirms the token is live on the Solana network. With that step done, it's time to move forward and set up the liquidity pool to get trading started. Now it's time to lock in liquidity and get this token ready for trading. First, go to Launchtool and hit Create Liquidity Pool, which will take you straight to Raydium. Next, select your meme coin as the base token. To do that, go back to Launchtool, copy your token's address, and paste it into Raydium. Be sure to enter the exact symbol and address used during setup. PSG for the symbol and Paris Saint-Germain for the name. Finally, click Add User Token to register your meme coin and keep moving. Now we're getting somewhere. This is where things start heating up. Take the full 900 million and load it into the liquidity pool, pairing it with Solana. Hit max to get the ball rolling, but make sure to hold back 0.2 Solana to pay for the fees. Without it, you could end up stuck. Everything leads up to this moment. As the first investor, your spot is secured. You can't lose here, so fix the liquidity fee at 2%, a solid balance between keeping trades flowing and ensuring future growth. Now for the final step, launch the liquidity pool and confirm the transaction. Once it processes, your token is officially live for trading. You've officially hit the big leagues. Getting a spot on Photon's main dashboard is a major win. This is where serious investors pay attention, and market trends really start to take shape. Now let's dig into high-level charting tools and explore how to track price shifts, liquidity fluctuations, and big money movements. Keeping an eye on these factors will give you the insight needed to steer your token's trajectory with precision. Let's jump in. Welcome to the high-level tracking game. Open Deck Screener and find a token that grabs your attention. Copy your contract address from Launch Tool, paste it into Deck Screener, and just like that, you're set up for full-on degen monitoring. Keep a close eye on liquidity shifts. These real-time moves can make or break your strategy. One pro tip, Raydium's portfolio tracker tends to lag a bit, so give it 5 to 10 minutes to update before relying on the numbers. A little patience now can save you from bad calls later. Let's get to work. We are off to a great start. We have some buys for around $100. Our liquidity is at $608, and our market cap is at $518 in just 2 minutes. Another 2 good buys for more than $50, increasing our liquidity to $616 and our market cap to $527 in 11 minutes. More good buys for more than $80. Our liquidity is at $627 and our market cap at $539. These are good numbers to go to withdraw our liquidity. Time to pull out. Raydium's standard mode is your go-to tool for extracting liquidity. Hit the minus button, push the withdrawal slider all the way up, and reclaim your liquidity like a pro. That Solana stash, it's your lifeline. Mess this up, and you'll be stuck watching from the sidelines. Confirm the transaction, check your wallet notification, and secure a smooth liquidity exit. Welcome back to safer ground. This is the kind of market action traders live for, absolute fireworks. Seeing your portfolio double in record time proves that strategic moves and sharp execution can lead to serious gains. And the best part? This method isn't some hidden secret. It's available to anyone willing to research, analyze, and take action. That's the mindset of a true builder. Keeping the momentum going with calculated reinvestments is how major players stay ahead. Every move adds up, every smart allocation builds strength, and before you know it, you've got something unstoppable. Long-term vision is key. Let's keep stacking and making every step count. This is the moment that defines a trader. No speculation, just pure market reality staring you in the face. The question isn't whether there's opportunity. The question is whether you're ready to take it. Either step forward and claim your spot or sit back and watch others do it instead. Time's ticking. The market moves whether you do or not. Quick reminder, I'm not partnered with Raydium, Photon, or Launch Tool. If you want real details, check their official sources. This is purely for learning. So if you want to stay ahead, don't forget to like and subscribe for more alpha.